You see, if you find him and he's still alive, tell him to stay which part in there. And you can tell him to lose my number. I don't want to see him.
Sure. So that I go work though? I'm no business partner.
Me no business. And when him come back here, he might work over there so and me a work here so.
Yo. Anything else I still. But I'm gonna look if I see him still, is it? If anything will pass back and heal it. Take your time, man.
Yo, quick.
Yo.
Yes. You see if you see him, call me and tell me.
Alright, man. Really?
Alright, that's that.
Yo, no bother with it, you know. Forward.
Cause me have to defend my thing, you know, brother. Me couldn't make them take my cheap and say, you know, them all like chuck them on and them thing, them my friend. Right now, me have to look out of my eye, you know, cause me know them after me, you know. Fully paranoid now, you know, cause I want to hear my youth.
Kareem. Who after you, brother? What you talking about?
Police, all them friend them. Remember say a gang thing the man did in the mind, so suppose him friend them want come take it up, brother, so them a retaliate. Me have to look out of me eye, charge you, I idiot, man.
Let's come like you're sick, man, you know you. You know your son? Like you gone back a square one with a black something there again. Who you call police? Miss B? Are the only person that can help you right now, no fam.
Cause it's not them a situation here. You can find the Chinese them and not trust nobody.
Dog, you move like you wanted, man. You wanted?
What you mean if I wanted?
You mean you wanted? But wanted.
Cause my heart, you can't tell me nothing. You know, see me fling down something on the ground cause my heart.
Kareem, I beg your fam. Stop the Yo, the camera not catch you, I do nothing, brother. You see me? And me can bet, say, when you run in pan you, a two big old cowards that be put on pan the man with all the eye go there locked up. But yo, you for go still a youth. Big man thing. Yeah, really sample, you know. I help the woman want help her, bro.
Cause me not trust she. Because she want all my knife and that is the evidence. Me not depend that after me no fool to this, you know.
Kareem. You me asking, cuz. I want you to listen to me. Help the woman, help her. You hear that? The woman is not police like that. The woman is an agent. You see me? She and Tony and good. She and you good. No? She and we good. The woman just want to get the knife, dispose that, get rid of the evidence. Help the woman and help you. Believe me. Stop the bag of madness, boy. Hit your heart. You're easy, you know, man. Well, go back to Black's route, eh?
Cause to tell you the truth, from the thing they go on and the youth drop out, dog, it come like me charge up. Alright, no more want to ring for this, get geared up. You know weird about me listen to you because you me trust, you know. Me not trust nobody but you. So me go gear the evidence and everything work out, it work out. But you say if me go to jail and you is to be blamed. Alright, cuz?
I understand your point of view, you know. But hear me, I say. Get that jail something out of your head, bro. You're good. good. Where you need to focus on your business and your woman. Because you go on till you lose a good woman, you can make the girl get all corrupt.